Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the dashboards. One of the dashboard. The dashboards today we are using the storm analysis data set. We have a also data set here. So by using this data set, just we want to analyze the storm analysis when the storm hit any of the country, then how much property damage was happening. So the user requirement is user want to know if user select any of the state, it should be display the state map and how much damage was happening specific state. And another requirement is user want to know the storm analysis property damage each month. So in this scenario, we have to use 4 visualization. I am already building that 4 visualization. Just I am showing that. See here, I am using the 4 visualizations. I will explain one by one. Just I am explain the user requirement, how I build that document. For example, here states, there is a number of states. This data state set is belongs to the US. So these are all the US states. For example, if I click any one of the state, for example, if I click this state, so it will be display the how much property damage is happening. And here also showing the state. This state, there is no damage was happening. If I choose any of the state, for example, I am choosing the New York. Okay. So here it will be show the state map and see here the property damage was 20K. Okay. If I am choosing any of the state, for example, Texas, see how much was damage happening. See 500K. Here it was showing the Texas state map. And this is the user requirement. I'm going to the month wise. Here, if I click the player icon, it will be showing dynamically which month having how much damage has happening every state. Okay, see, it was dynamically showing. If you click on that icon, then it will be stopped. If I want to run again, then you need to click. Same, it is the MX player. That's why this name is also, if you click this visualization name is data player. Okay. Now I am going to build from the scratch from the 4 visualization. Just I am taking another tab. Just we need to rename the tab name. Just I am going to here see. If you go there, here this is the image which was I bought from the Google. You also bought from the Google. You can search in the Google any of the image, you can add it. So just I am explaining the 2 new option. Here, this is the source and this is the visualization. Then if you come here, widgets. If you click on the widgets, they're having an option. One is text, another one is image. Okay. So first I am going to the our new page. Then just I am drag and drop to the image. Whenever you are drag and drop the image, here you need to click the image URL. So for now, just I am going to the our first image and I am copy the our image URL. Just I am paste there. So then it will be reflect automatically. See, okay. Whenever we got, just we have to resize that image. And here, then what is next step? It is we need to give the heading. See here, this is the heading, right? So for that, I'm going to text. This is the text. Just I'm drag and drop here. Just I'm adding the text. Storm analysis. Okay. Just resize the text box. We can align as our wish. And I'm giving the font color is just I'm going to the here. The text color I am changing. Why? Because it was mixed in the that color. Just I am giving the white color. See now how it is visible. And then what is next? Here it is showing the data, total property damage data. Okay. So it is a, if you click on that, here it is showing what is this visualization name is summary. Okay. Just we need to go visualization and drag and drop to the summary. I am explaining what is the summary. Okay. Summary means in the report studio, you can say it is a singleton. In the report studio, whenever you are using the singleton, it is display only one data, one record. So same this is the singleton, you can assume. So here I am just adding the we have one of the column property damage. See property damage. So what happened is it is total the, it will be showing the total damage. For example, if you are click on that, they having a option summarize. See here what was showing the option sum. It was to, by default it's showing the sum. If you want the maximum or minimum or average, you can do that. For now I want only sum, that's why by default it's taking sum only. Okay, then what is next step? Just we need to format the data. And and what is our next thing? Just we have to align our politics here. Okay, then what we have to go properties, and here just I am giving the font color is yellow, and the appearance of this just I am removing the color, so it will be showing like this. Okay, so I am also giving border color which was yellow. Okay. Oh, now it is good. So this was our first page. We have completed our first page, and then we are going to the next page. What is here? This is summary, and this is data player, and this is list, and this is map. So we will, and this is the text storm analysis. We are going to create another tab and give that tab name as here. First I am adding the summary. It is showing only single value as we discussed first. Just I am aligning, and also first we have to bring the text for the heading. For the text we need to go to the widgets, and here drag and drop to the text, and align the text. Just I'm aligning the center. Okay. Then what is our next step? Just here we need to add the property damage. And we have to format. And here we have to set up the summary. It's a good format. What is our next? Here we need to add the data player. What is data player? It's showing the data dynamically. Here we need to add the column is, see here the records are months, right? So that's why we are adding the month column. And the requirement also we need to analyze the data for the month wise. So that's why we are adding the month column here. So it will showing the month. If it is not assigned in the proper order, we need to check that order, and once give that proper arrange the order. And next one is, what is our next one? List. So there, here it is a list. Then we have to choose the list. We can compare that Repo Studio. It is mostly like prompting. If you choose any of the record, it will be showing display only that record data, right? Same, the list is also working same. Here, what we need to add? State. If user want to select any of the state, it will display the only that state data only. And what is our next visualization is map. So it's showing the data map. Here we have to find the map visualization. See, this is the map visualization. Just we have to drag and drop here. Then we have to resize the map. Here the important thing is alignment. If you did alignment properly, so it is for the looking wise it is good. And here what we need to add, the location means we have to analyze the state wise the data. First state and country wise data, right? So that's why first I am adding the country, and we can add number of the columns here, and next I am adding the state as well. And the color part, we are analyzing the data state wise or country wise based upon the property damage. That's why I am giving here property damage measure column. Okay. So then here displaying the property damage based upon the country or state. So when if you click on that any of the state, it is also showing like it is a one of the tooltip we are discussed earlier in the videos, right? So here the data we need to do data format like it was showing in the millions. So just I am going to the measure column. Just I am doing the data format for the measure column, choosing number and yes, okay. Now it is done all the properties. For example, if I am clicking the any of the uh, state, it will be showing the damage. Okay, so here the damage was 6.5 million. Thus, it was showing the state map. And if I am choosing any of the state, for example, New Jersey, we will check how much damage was happening. Here, see, 10 million. Okay, so that the state map was this. So like that, if I am clicking the data player, it will be showing the dynamically. See, every month, each month, how much damage was happening in the specific state. Okay, so this is our scenario. We reached our scenario. Okay, thank you, friends. Thank you for watching video. And the data set was we have to go. Just I am telling in the see first we need to go to the samples and then by we need to go to the by feature, and the next step is we need to go to the core. Then they're having a data option, we need to choose that. Then here we will find that storm events. This is the data set I have using that dashboards. Okay, you need to follow that data set for the dashboards. Okay, friends, thank you for watching.